Hey everyone, and welcome. Think you've got a genius-level brain? Well, we've got the perfect quiz right here to put that to the test. Let's jump right in. So, how many of these questions can you get right? The challenge is super simple. 3 rounds all about science and nature. Go ahead and grab something to write with or just keep scoring your head. Let's see what you've got. Okay, let's kick things off with round 1, the animal kingdom. We're talking about some of the fastest, smartest, and most fascinating creatures out there. Get ready, because here comes your first question. All right, let's start with a classic. What is the fastest land animal in the world? You've got 5 seconds to think, starting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is the cheetah. Get this. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. That's faster than a lot of sports cars. Did you get it right? If you did, give yourself a point. Okay, let's see if you knew this one. We're sticking with speed, but this time we're taking to the skies. Which bird is the fastest member of the entire animal kingdom when it's in its hunting dive? Take 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is the peregrine falcon. During that famous hunting stoop, it can hit speeds over 200 miles per hour. Just incredible, right? All right, keep track of your score. Let's keep going. All right, this next one is a tough one, so really think big. Which animal has a brain that's about 5 times larger than a human's? You've got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you said the sperm whale, you are absolutely correct. And here's a cool fact. Even though their brains are massive, their brain-to-body size ratio is actually lower than ours. Goes to show, size isn't everything. And that's a wrap for round 1. How's that score looking? All right, it's time for round 2, the human machine. Let's dive into some pretty surprising facts about us, the most complex organism of all. First up for this round is a true or false question. All joints in the human skull are movable. Is that true or is it false? You've got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is false. Yep, while we have tons of movable joints, the ones in our skull, they're called sutures, are actually immovable in adults because they fuse together. Did you get that one right? Okay, this next one, a lot of people get this wrong. It's a true or false. Whales are considered to be more intelligent than humans. What do you think? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is false. Now, while whales have this incredible social and emotional intelligence, sources state humans are still considered the most intelligent species on Earth. Definitely something interesting to think about. And just like that, we're through 2 rounds. So, how many have you gotten right so far? Are you feeling like a genius yet? Hey, go ahead and drop your score in the comments below. We'd love to see how you're doing before we jump into the final and maybe the toughest round. Okay, welcome to our final round, our amazing planet. This is where the real geniuses shine. Are you ready for the ultimate challenge? Let's do this. All right, here's a quick one from chemistry for you. What is the chemical symbol for the element mercury? 5 seconds on the clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is Hg. And for your fun fact, mercury is the only metal that's a liquid at standard temperature and pressure. Pretty cool. Okay, just one question left. This is for all the marbles. All right, this is it, our final question. And I'm telling you, it's a tricky one. What is the largest desert on Earth? Now, really think about the definition of a desert. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is the Antarctic polar desert. See? I told you it was tricky. Most of us think of hot, sandy places, right? But deserts are actually defined by their lack of precipitation, not their temperature. And that makes Antarctica the biggest desert on Earth. Wow. And that's a wrap on our quiz. So, what's your final score? Go ahead and tally it all up. But hey, no matter how you did, I hope you had some fun and learned a thing or two. Congrats on finishing the challenge. So, let us know your final score down below. If you had fun with this quiz, do us a favor and hit that like button. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next